Hello everyone, I am Simon Lorenzo and along with Sir Alan Villena, I will be teaching you how to use Python for data engineering. I am an assistant professor from the Industrial Engineering and Operations Research Department of the College of Engineering in UP Diliman. I graduated from BSIE and MSIE from the same university. I have been working with big data for years now, both in consulting projects and research studies. Throughout this course, I hope to share with you the tools that are available for such analyses, specifically those under data engineering.
Hi, I'm Pierre Alan C. Villena. I'm an instructor at the Department of Industrial Engineering and Operations Research, UP Diliman. I'm currently taking a master's degree in Industrial Engineering, major in Information Systems. I'm teaching courses related to statistics, quality control, business analytics, and information systems.
In our society today, technology is continuously advancing. With this advancement, we see that there is a much larger scale of data that is available. Thus, we see the need for tools that can help us analyze and use these fast-moving data. Python is a programming language that is easy to learn, easy to use, and contains multiple tools that allow the user to work with data easily and effectively. It has libraries that allow the user to work with large amounts of data with ease. Specifically, this course will discuss how to provide a stable infrastructure for data. While data scientists may be the ones who perform complex analyses on data, data engineers are the ones who make sure that the data is clean and workable. Without data engineering, data science would not be possible. This is how important data engineering is, and this is what this course will teach you. You will learn different ways to prepare data to be ready for processing.
Lists are data structures that can contain any variable type. To initialize a list, we use brackets, as shown in the following code. Here, we initialize our list, named list_a, and define its elements to be a string, an int, and a float, in that specific order. Anytime we want, we can call any value in the list by using the corresponding index. Note that in Python, indices, lists, and other data structures always start with 0, meaning we call the first element by using the following code. Print list_a with an index of 0.